Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Call your number from a friend's phone and listen for a ring or vibration. This is fastest. If silent, open Find My iPhone or Find My device and sign in with the account tied to the phone. That locates it on a map. Once located, note the timestamp and battery estimate so you know how reliable the ping is. Make sure to toggle precise location if available and prepare to move toward the last known point immediately. Once you have a location, lock the phone remotely and display a contact message so a finder can return it. This prevents unauthorized access. Then start frequent pings. Refresh the location every 1 to 5 minutes while approaching, because GPS can jump. Make sure to scan nearby Wi-Fi names and Bluetooth devices. These clues narrow down rooms or cars. If indoors, triangulate using signal strength and retrace recent steps to check couches, pockets, and charging spots. If you can safely reach the last known point, retrieve the phone and verify it's yours before unlocking. Approach public areas with a partner. If the device is far away or taken, report to police with IMEI, model, and the last known timestamp. That helps official recovery. Only erase remotely if you can't recover it, because erasing removes tracking. If the phone is offline, check cache locations and ask staff where it was seen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.